Is sushi good for diabetics? You want to eat sushi despite having diabetes. Therefore, it makes sense for any diabetic to want to know whether sushi is healthy. Before risking your life for a meal, you should familiarize yourself about this well-known Japanese dish. In Japanese, the word sushi is used to represent rice. We are all aware that rice is a food heavy in carbohydrates. There is evidence that sushi causes diabetes people's blood sugar levels to rise. You can get 70 to 80 grams of carbohydrates from one roll of sushi. Sushi's usage of refined rice, which results in its lack of vitamins and other necessary components, is another drawback. Sushi has a high glycemic index, therefore you are warned about a potential blood sugar spike. You can change the ingredients without affecting the flavor of sushi if you still want to eat it. We need to switch from rice to quinoa. Quinoa provides 3 grams of dietary fiber along with up to 40 to 50 grams less carbs per serving. Dietary fiber slows down digestion and stops a rapid rise in blood sugar. Another ingredient in the sushi recipe is raw fish. You can get enough protein and healthy cholesterol from raw fish. Additionally, it offers vital nutrients. Eating sushi has that advantage. Consuming sushi also enhances blood circulation, which is another benefit. It lowers your body's harmful cholesterol level. It also benefits your digestive system. Sushi helps digestion and relieves constipation. Diabetic patient consistently feels hungry. Sushi is a well-known cuisine that will keep you satiated all day. Typically, soy sauce is provided with sushi to assist the body receive enough sodium and support metabolism. When we examine the ingredients in sushi, we find that many of them have several benefits for boosting the body's immune defenses. After learning all of this, we advise you to enjoy your sushi by replacing the rice with quinoa. You should still approach it cautiously. It would be best if you could discuss this dish with your doctor. Examining your blood sugar levels after consuming sushi will allow you to conduct your own experiment. We do not advise you to consume sushi produced from refined rice. We have a duty as diabetics to exclude foods high in carbohydrates from our meals. Thank you.